Hi guys, this is your girl Yvonne coming back to you with another video, and this time I'll be taking you into the kitchen and show you how I prepare beetroot and carrot juice, Jamaican style, guys. This is one of our favorite drink that we use in Jamaica, especially on a Sunday. So here I have my beetroot. I have my beetroot here, and these are my carrots here, guys. So I have my condensed milk, my sweetened condensed milk. I have my vanilla and my nutmeg. Guys, I would not be using any sugar, because you can add sugar to yours if you like, but I choose not to use any sugar, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare my stuff, guys. This is the beetroot here that I'll be cutting off the stalk from it. And guys, you can get this beetroot at Walmart, and it comes in 3 in a stalk. I bought this beetroot from last week, so they're not as fresh. So I just want to go ahead and use them up before I have to throw them away. So yes, guys, what you do now is to peel the beetroot. Because I'm gonna just put everything in the blender and just blend it. Yes, guys, so this is it. I get all the beetroot peeled, put in this dish here. So now I'm going to go ahead and work on the carrots. You want to make sure that you get these little fuzzy area off. Yes guys, I'm gonna go ahead and peel my ginger. I'm just using this small piece of ginger, so yes guys, now that I have everything washed, so I am going to go ahead and chop them up so you can see guys, because I don't want to put them in the blender like this. I can do one of two things. I could have juiced them, but I didn't want any juice because I wanted to add it to water. So I'm just going to cut it up fine so that the blender will be able to chop them up more evenly. And I'm going to be putting them in the blender. So here I have the blender guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put some water in it. I had a little spill there. So yes guys, this is my blender with the beetroot and the carrot in. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is to put some more of the carrot inside of it. Go ahead and add the rest of the carrot to it. Now guys, after you blend it, you're going to have to strain it. So I'll show you what I do guys. Now guys, you're going to go ahead and strain the carrot juice and with the beetroot together. So you can add some more water to it if you want. And I'm definitely going to do that. But I'm going to go ahead and make sure that I strain everything. That is to get that extra trash out of it. I call it trash, but it's just the fiber of the carrot and the beetroot. Guys, you want to make sure you get all the juice out of this. So I'm gonna put back some of this. You don't want it to waste. You want to get all the juice out of it as possible. Just putting some water on it so that I can get it to loosen up a little bit, so I can get the juice to come out of it. Okay, I'm gonna throw this in the trash. I'm juicing some more. Yes, guys. Trying to juice it as best as I possibly can. Guys, know that the beetroot and carrot juice is ready. I'm going to go ahead now and sweeten it with the condensed milk and put a teaspoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon of nutmeg. And I am going to be sweetening it, guys, and you can go ahead and add sugar to yours if you want. You don't have to really use the milk if you don't want to, depending on how your stomach can tolerate it. There you have it, guys, your carrot and beetroot juice. And you can have it with dinner, you can have it just as a single drink, or you can just have it when your friends come over. You just have a nice juice to give them. Very nice and delicious, guys. So guys, if you like my channel and if you like what I showed you, don't be afraid to like, share, and subscribe to my channel that you can be informed of more videos to come. Thank you, guys.